Kirkstone Pass.
So driving down the Kirkstone Pass to the Kirkstone Inn. Well, it's not open at the moment. Going for a big renovation. The view today, which unfortunately is no view. Usually it's a fantastic view down here, but nothing to see today. So I'm going to head down the valley, get some views lower down. So when it's really cloudy like this at the top, just head down into the valley. Doesn't have to be a spectacular mountain. Doesn't really have to be in the centre of a mountain, but just a bit of a ramble. You don't even have to go that far from the car. The other thing is, if I'd seen the weather report, cloudy this morning on the mountain, I might have missed this. I wouldn't have come out and I wouldn't have seen this. Like I say, this morning I've just come out for a short walk, about maybe an hour, just to experience the beauty of the Lake District. The other good thing is, just a short walk, just stick your wellies on. It's a soft ground here, pretty much. Don't really need my hiking boots, which are soaked. Keep my feet dry. It's so peaceful. All I can hear is the noise of a river or waterfall down below there in the valley. I'm hoping to get a nice view of this panoramic view of the valley some point along here. So we're leaving the Lake District today, last day. Always a shame, goes too fast. So I just thought I'd get out for an hour before getting ready to check out that place. Again, I was just thinking, well, why don't I just have an extra hour in bed? But I can have an extra hour in bed at home, can't I? I don't have this on my doorstep. I can just come out for 1 hour and experience it just for another hour. Probably thinking, why aren't I doing camping that much? Basically, camping takes so much time and I do really enjoy it, but it's just not always possible. And also, you can have some great times just doing short trips like this, coming out seeing beautiful countryside, even for an hour, a couple of hours. And I still film it because I do this for enjoyment. I'm not just here to make the most risky video. I'm here to enjoy the great outdoors and to encourage people to go exploring, really. So it doesn't always have to be dramatic. It can just be something like this. And I also enjoy watching these myself, just to remind myself how beautiful this place is. So filming a YouTube video is like a record of the trip. And if people want to watch, other people enjoy it, that's fine. So I'm free. I'm not trying to feed YouTube's algorithm or anything. I just enjoy YouTube how I want to enjoy YouTube. So I'm just going to go down here, get the view, and then call that a day. A lovely end to this trip. So the river down there is a Woondale Beck, and that's Trout Beck down there. I think that might be the pub, which is all just up the road from Ambleside. The valley goes through to Ambleside. It's a lovely spot. Yep, and this is where I'm going to head back from. Lovely views. Savour these moments. I hope you find this type of video relaxing. It's so peaceful. Just getting outdoors, getting your eyes on things of real beauty, natural wonders. Get some fresh air in your lungs and get some exercise as well. My legs feel it a little bit after 3 days of this. Only doing 4 hours a day, but it's not something I've done much of recently. Might go to another national park in a couple of months, in September. Maybe put some recommendations in the comments where you think I should go next. I'd be quite happy coming back here. Well, I've really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed flying the drone. It looks just fantastic. Just the colours, the green, the mountains. It's a perfect place. Nobody around. You're not bothering anybody. Just enjoying being out here. It just reminds me again that you just have to make the effort to get out, really, because so many of these mornings there's a little voice saying to me, no, just stay at home, take it easy, you're on holiday. But actually getting out is the best thing I could do. Just forget about the pressure of everyday life and just live in the moment, I think. And that's what I think getting outdoors enables you to do. I realise that's what it is, because you just focus on what you're doing, where you're going, not getting lost, staying dry, all those things that you need to do, and everything else just gives you a total cleanse from just the day-to-day business that we all experience. So it just shows you there are views to be had when the clag and the cloud is on the mountain. If you just drop down a few hundred meters, you get to see the beautiful views again. So don't write off the day, just maybe change your strategy and do a slightly different route. You can still see beautiful mountains, but maybe not the view from the summit. Everybody wants the view from the summit, but actually often it's the views on the way to the summit which are the best. So you can still get out and enjoy it even on those, even when the weather's not so great. But anyway, thank you for joining me on this one. It's been great fun just to do a bit of filming again after a bit of a break, and made new memories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.